Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and I'm going to show you today how to create a drop-down menu. To start, I go to the VisionX designer. I'll choose my employee screen as an example. I'll need to open up the editing wizard by clicking on the pencil at the bottom left corner. I allow database changes by clicking the lock. I need to add a new field by clicking the plus button at the top. Next, I'll choose the option to make it a combo box. I'll name my label Types. That creates a drop-down list and adds to the data model the table types where I can store the values I choose from the drop-down list. After clicking Finish, I can add my new element to my screen. Then I'll add the label. Now we can have a look in the live preview to see what it looks like for the user. As you can see, we now have the drop-down types in my employee screen. However, the values I want in here are still missing. I want to have two different values, internal and external. To make that possible, I go back to the VisionX designer and click Create a New Screen on the right. I will name it also Types and click Next. Now I choose a layout. In our case, I will use a table and further for the web. After clicking Next, I want to choose an existing data model, which will be my Types table. Then I click Next and my new screen is generated. Now I want to reload the live preview. Go to my Types table and enter internal and external. Once that is done, I can go back to my employee screen and choose now whether the employee is internal or external in my drop-down menu. And that's it. That's how you create a drop-down list. Thank you so much for watching.